Hi, this is Evan. As you might know, I'm going to tell you about this Nerf gun that is, well, somewhat complicated. First, you put the bullet right in that, right there. Stick it in, easy enough. Pull the trigger, and fire. Easy. And I'll be getting my other gun right now, which is quite simple. Here's my, I have no clue. Oh, there's my other gun. You put the bullets in the barrel. There's about maybe 8 rounds in there. 10. Then you pull the trigger and shoot. And then when you, I only have one bullet, so go off there, right there. Alright, I hope you liked the video for these difficult Nerf guns, but I think you'll know how to use them now. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. See ya.